Oh shit, we got another box. Box from Corbin. So, yeah, we're gonna get this thing open. We got our knife of opening. So get these out one-handed. It's trickier than it looks. Excuse the messy desk. Doing stuff one-handed is weird. Get stuff moved out of the way. We're fine. We're fine. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Oh, look at that. Big ol' thick bubble wrap. My cat's over here looking around like, what'd you get me? Oh yeah. You got some nice packaging for this thing. Okay. There we go. So obviously I got the classic Solo. It's pretty damn good shipping time too. I ordered this like a week and a half ago. And it's here. And their lead time, they say, is 3 to 5 weeks. Oh yeah, look at that. I went pretty simple with it. Just black stitching. Nothing crazy. Oh. That is a massive, that is a massive seat. Holy shit. Okay, well, it is time to put the new seat on. As you can see, it's quite a bit bigger than the stock seat. I do love how easy these are to get off and on. And see, this is, looks like it's on, but it didn't get a click or anything. It looks a lot better, a lot wider. Only thing is, if we see now, the key is hard to turn to unlatch. We have to push down to get it to unlatch properly. So this is not sitting down far enough for it to clear the latch, which I now understand why they put a couple of these little washers in the package. So this is a 4mm hex bolt. Undo these, put 1 or 2 on the underside so it pushes this out a little bit. I believe is how it's meant to go. Like, yeah. I'll just try 2 on each one. Okay. Alright, so that's on. So we'll see how it clicks in now. Oh, I heard that click now. Oh. And unclicks easily. Yep, so you may need to use those little spacers. For that to not come off. Or might need to use the spacers for it to latch properly on there. And for comparison. So a comparison of the stock seat to the Corbin, you see so much thicker, so much more padding. The stock seat, it really does kind of suck. Alright, now if we go sit on it, it's definitely a lot more room for you. Already feels a lot more comfortable. Oh yeah. Yeah, this feels really good. Time to go for a ride. I feel like I'm sitting up a little bit higher than I was. Isn't a terrible thing, but yeah, I've got plenty of leg to flat foot this thing, so sitting up higher doesn't matter to me. I feel like my knees are not quite as bent on the pegs now as they used to be. And this seat just feels like it supports so much better. What's crazy is I ordered this thing a week and a half ago. I ordered on a Sunday, and then it went an entire week, and then the Friday. So like 2 business weeks essentially, and it's here. So that's some crazy fast production time for the seat. It feels really good. Like the little lip in the back holds you in place a lot better than the stock seat did, but it's not like coming up into your lower back for like lumbar support, or not lumbar, but I don't know, any like lower back support. I don't know if that's still the lumbar region. I have no idea. But it is enough of a lip to keep you in when you accelerate. So one of the biggest problems I had was feeling like I was getting thrown off the back of the bike every time I got on it. Bikers everywhere. Yeah, so even getting on it like that, just there, little acceleration, didn't budge. Whereas the other seat, I'd have to lean forward because I start slipping back off the end. Yeah, so all in all, I think the seat is pretty good. Like, seems nice. I'm gonna be Interesting to see how it breaks in. So it already feels pretty good right now. Like, I feel like I could go for a while. Well, we'll have to do a test run, go on a mini trip or something. All in all, I do say it's pretty happy with the purchase. I mean, Corbin seats are kind of expensive, but I think they're worth it. The only thing I'm wondering about is the gap between the seat and the tank might be a little much. Like, I might need to take out one of those washers for the spacing to have it a little more flush. I do kind of feel like I'm hunched over to get to the bars now a little bit. But I gotta like hunch in instead of sitting up. Like if I were to sit up tall, you know, I'm kind of having to reach for the bars a little. So I'm fairly tall. I'm 6'4" and I got good reach, but this thing puts you back just a little bit. So I feel like this is where I normally was, and sitting back. So maybe have to get some bar risers and pull that back to like about here. It's like a 2 or 3 inch riser maybe. I'll have to look into that. Oh yeah, no. Getting on throttle, not moving at all. Nah, that's great. Okay, took out one of the spacers and it looks a little bit better, and it clicks in just fine and unlocks just fine. So that's probably where I'm going to leave that. I think that is good for that. It's still weird how much this moves up and down, because it really doesn't latch into the back like the old, like the stock seat does. It's just, whoop, trying to do this one-handed. You know, just little pegs here and here. Yeah. So I mean, it keeps it in well enough. So I think that'll be good for that. And it has gotten windy as shit right now. Holy fuck. Alright, yeah, but I think Corbin seat, definitely a good choice. Oh, hello. Granted, I've never had a seat other than Corbin in the stock seat now, so can't really say if it's, you know, better or worse than any others, but I think I'm pretty pleased with what I got so far. Yeah, I think that's gonna be about it for this one. Thanks for coming by.